not so far. Between the fountains, your hunt will start. Oh, have you seen a fountain?
Oh, so you found a clue that says twinkle twinkle little star.
Get a fountain.
Yeah. On the floor, not so far. Between the fountains, your hunts will start. Where is the fountain?
Where's the fountain? Where's the fountain? Welcome to Prayan's world.
Where is the fountain? Fine. Where is the fountain? Is it this side or that side?
This side or this side? I can't tell.
Oh, ask. You can take a hint from them. Oh,
This side.
okay. So you're going for a treasure hunt, and your first clue is between the fountains. We need to.
Oh, that's the fountain you were looking at.
So that's the fountains. Now, check where you have to go.
We have to go there.
Yeah, go.
Go. We can't touch any of the blue.
You can touch. You need to find the treasure of the first clue. You need to find the second clue near the fountains. Can you find a second clue? A piece of paper, just like the one.
Okay, is this the story?
Yeah, between the fountains, there should be a clue buried somewhere. I can't see. I think, look on all the sides. Can you see any piece of paper? Can you see any piece of paper? Look closely. That's not, no, that doesn't have the paper. I think we are on the wrong track. Let's see, it should be near the star.
Near the door.
Yeah, just look at all the corners. Can you find any piece of paper?
Take the paper right here.
So you found the second clue.
Okay.
What is it?
Can you read it for me?
Yeah. Can you show it? Clue second. Let's run to the lobby with a painted sky. Center full of cheer under the big bright chandelier.
Chandelier.
The lighting.
That's what's lighting? Like
The lobby. We have to go to the lobby. And
Where's the lobby?
under the big bright sky.
under the big bright sky.
Oh, that's the lobby. Let's go to the lobby again.
We can't touch any of the blue, mommy.
Okay, we can't touch any of the blue.
Yes, that's obstacle.
Oh, those are obstacle. Let's go. Find the third clue. So you already found this 2 clues.
Okay. Is this the lobby?
Yeah.
Is this the lobby? This is the lobby.
So what's the big under this big chandelier? Where is the third clue? Can you find any piece of paper under this? Look on the table. Look on the table.
What, mommy?
Can you find any piece of paper? Look here. Look on the table. Look on the table. Can you see a piece of paper?
That's a piece of paper.
Yes.
That's the piece of paper that we're looking at.
So yeah, show. Now this is the third clue. It says the room for drinks is where the next clue will be found. Run, run, run. It's just around. Where did you make the drink? Do you remember?
Yes.
Run, 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 run. Yes, you have to run fast. Yes, this is the room where we made our drink. And here there has to be some clue. Where is it?
I know. Somewhere.
It must be somewhere. Look around. Check this side. Go, go, go. Check, check, check. Can you see any piece of paper?
What is this?
No, it's not here. I think there has to be somewhere here.
There's some leafy.
Oh, I think the leaf and the plants, that will have some clue. Look inside.
No.
On the left. Look this side.
Which side? Oh, there's a white thing. Oh, it's a piece of paper.
Yes, he found another clue.
Okay, let's read it right here.
Okay, let's read it right here. Come sit.
Read it after.
So, what does it say? It says there is a big lioness. See, she is all white. Let's see if it can catch your sight. Did you see a lioness somewhere? Side. So what is the next clue, Prayan?
I don't know.
That's the... You have to find the white lioness. Did you see a lioness anywhere?
I saw it somewhere.
Where?
It's down.
It's down.
Yes.
Oh, let's see if it is down.
Let's see if it's down. This one.
Oh, where is the lioness? I can't see.
That's it.
Oh, that's the lioness. Oh my god. You are near your next clue.
Oh, the next one.
Where is the next clue?
It's in here.
It's in here. Find it. What's the next clue? So, final clue. Go to the shop with a lot of jewels.
Mommy.
Wow, you are so smart.
He's eating it.
Not a fool. Why was he eating it?
I don't know.
I don't know. So, we have to go to the shop with a lot of jewels. Where is the shop for jewels?
What? Where's the jewels?
Where is a jewelry shop?
Where's the jewelry?
I don't know.
Where is it?
Let's take hint from her. Can you ask her?
It's in the lobby. You just have to search there.
Okay. So we have to go up again, and that's the final clue. So our treasure is just near, Prayan.
A treasure just right ahead.
Yes.
Yes, it's this one, Mommy.
Okay, go this side.
This one is the lobby.
Oh, this side is the lobby.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you see the lobby? The lobby is just ahead. The lobby is just ahead.
So this is the lobby. Now,
I almost saw it.
where is the jewelry shop? Can you find any jewelry shop?
Where's the shop?
Can you think of?
Can you give me another hint? This way, okay. This way.
Oh, is it left or right? Just stand here. And now it either has to be left or right.
It's all right. Which is the lobby?
Which is the jewelry shop?
This is the jewelry shop?
Where can you find a lot of jewels?
This is the jewel?
Yes. Yes, it is the jewels.
No, it's not in this.
A lot of jewels. Come.
What?
It's here.
In a white paper.
Okay.
So it's big one. It may be up on the cabinet.
Okay, you have to find. There's a big thing which is wrapped in white paper. Can you find it?
I don't know where it is.
It should be inside only.
It should be inside.
Yeah, go inside. See if there.
You can see up there.
Can you see anything up there?
That's the next clue.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is the gift. Treasure.
you finally got your treasure.
No, we should open it somewhere else.
Okay, where? Say thank you first.
Thank you.
Welcome, my treasure.
Come on.
Yes, so you're opening the treasure. Open.
Oh, there's a helicopter. There's actually this. Yeah.
Wow. Wow, what is it?
It's this.
It's a auto rickshaw. What is it? Show. Wow, it's an auto rickshaw.
It's a rickshaw, but how do we open this? Open this. Open this. Yes. Oh.
So cool, isn't it?
Is it up?
Did you enjoy the treasure hunt?
Yes, it works also. But is there another treasure hunt?
No, there's no other treasure hunt.
Please subscribe and hit the bell button